I am Dr. C.L. Venkat Rao. Rice porridge, ganji. It is a very healthy drink. It is prepared from the rice, and to add value to it, you can add little salt, lemon, and small pieces of green chilies and a little jaggery. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium and magnesium. The rice porridge or ganji has got 10 amazing health benefits. Number 1, it improves the immunity, acts as an immunity booster, prevents the entry of bacteria, virus and fungus, and thereby prevents the communicable diseases including the COVID. It has got the capability of preventing. Number 2, it gives strength to the muscles. The athletes, bouncers, bodybuilders, military, paramilitary and uniform services. It gives great strength to the muscles. Number 3, it improves the skin color, skin texture, and it prevents the appearance of pimples on the face. And it also prevents allergy, skin allergies, skin rashes, and it also helps in making you smart, look smart, and the skin will be glowing. Number 4, it prevents the loss of hair, and it makes the roots of the hair very strong. The hair become black, and the ladies will have long hair, and prevents the splitting of the hair ends. Number 5, it prevents the premature aging. It will not allow the wrinkles to form on the face and the skin. Number 6, this rice porridge or ganji prevents gas trouble, acidity, hiccups, and acidity, and passing of smelling bad gas from the bottom. So for people who are having the bloating, this is a good remedy. Number 7, it facilitates the motility of the large gut and prevents the constipation. Once constipation is prevented, the piles will not occur. Even if piles are there, once constipation is cured, the piles will disappear automatically. Number 8, it is capable of preventing cancers as well. Number 9, somebody suffers from fevers, any type of fever, typhoid, malaria, chikungunya, dengue or COVID. Once they are in the recovery process of fever or during the fever, rice porridge is easily digestible, and it helps to give great energy to the person suffering from these high fevers. Number 10, if somebody has got gastroenteritis wherein he has vomitings and loose motions, if such people, the rice porridge is given, it gives a very good relief, and they become active and they will recover soon. So rice porridge or ganji is a wonderful drink, and it has got 10 amazing health benefits.